Good afternoon everyone. In today's lab session we are going to start off with the sequential circuit that the flip-flops. So according to the lab syllabus you are to implement SR, D, JK, T and MS flip-flop, MS being master slave flip-flop. So today we are going to complete all those. Okay, so from our folder we'll get inside the digital folder. Okay, so we have got all the required 5 folders, right? Library, RTL, simulation, testbench and work. So the first thing is RTL, right? First step was RTL. So from here I have already written down the codes. So I'll just let us start with SR flip-flop. Okay, so I'll just open this code. This is my SR flip-flop code. Okay, then next step was testbench, right? So we need to write the test bench for SR flip-flop. So this is my test bench, and the third thing we did was the constraints file. One thing here to note is the constraints file. Okay, so in the constraints file for the flip-flops would be slightly different from what you have encountered so far. The first statement first you will be declaring that you want to create a clock. Okay, so you're creating it, giving the period and the waveform time limits and naming it as well. Then you are setting the rise time and the fall time. Okay, then you define the clock with its time period and start and stop time, and then you give the rise and fall time as well, and then you start giving the constraints. Okay, so no need to panic like so many statements in the constraints file and this and that. It's nothing like that. Okay, so first you define the clock and then you start giving the constraints. So like here we can see we are giving the constraints on the reset. So our code also has a reset. Okay, reset SR, Q and QB. Alright, so these are the things. Alright, so after this what we used to do, we used to simulate, isn't it? Yeah, so from simulation folder, right click, open terminal, and we will be giving the command run command. Okay, so this is our SR flip-flop. Okay, so functional simulation done. Next we will be moving inside the synthesis part. Alright, so synthesis will be having to get inside the work folder. From here open in terminal and we give the command Genus space -legacy underscore UI. Alright, now okay, so what do? We excuse me for that, set attr space lib search path space // library Okay, next we give the HDL path. Alright, next we give the kind of library. So library slow high VT dot lib. Okay, then we tell the compiler to read the code. File name was srff.v. Then we elaborate, right? Then we generate the reports. Okay, so from here what do we make out? That 237 is my delay, 237 pico. Next we ask for area. Next is power. Okay, now we now tell to read the SDC file or the constraints file, so that is srff.g. okay, next we tell it to synthesize alright, then we generate the reports again. Alright, so our SR flip-flop has been designed and optimized and or synthesized as well. Okay, so SR flip-flop is done.